Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Firstly, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, to disable location, you need to select Close. So when I do that and go back, location of my device is disabled. To enable it, tap on the same tile one more time. You can also just go into Devices Settings right away, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Location Access to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!